Hi, Budi here, founder of Contracko. I'm excited to share our new folders feature. With folders, you can easily organize your contracts, scope access to them, and export groups of contracts. Here's how it works. We'll start on the Contracts tab here. To create a folder, either right-click some empty space in the table, or you can go here to the Folders tab. You can create a new folder. For example, here, we'll create a demo folder, and it will be created. To navigate to the folder, you can click on it there and you could see it's empty, or you could move up a level and you'll see all the folders appear here at the top. It is possible to nest folders, in which case you would do this. You would create a nested demo and you will have a folder in a folder. Okay, so let's say you want to move a contract. In this case, you could either right click and do move and put it in the nested demo in case it's going to show up here. But what you could also do is conveniently drag and drop. And you'll see it appear here. If you want to run an export, that is absolutely possible. Let's say we go back here to this demo folder. You can press export, and it's going to export the contents of this particular folder. So in this case, it's exported this contract as well as the contract that is nested inside it. What's also really lovely is that you can manage access on a per folder basis. In this case, you could scope it to everyone, or restrict it to people in your particular organization. This makes for really convenient workflows. For example, when you say, okay, here we have an operations team. Well, I only want my operations team to see everything in the demo folder. You would then scope access, set it to the operations team, and they would have access, but maybe not to other people. If you then later add contracts, you no longer need to set access levels on a per contract basis because they're going to inherit it from the folder itself. So we're very excited to see what you do with this, and if you have any questions, absolutely let me know.